Welcome back to my YouTube channel Mr. MVP, and in today's video it is all about Galaxy Book Pro. Today's video is categorized in three parts. The first part will be we will be covering the official spec list. I already made a video on the official spec list of Galaxy Book Pro in my Decoded series, but in that video I missed some of the specs, so today we will be covering those as well. The second part will be the ecosystem support of Galaxy Book Pro and how it differentiates itself with these kind of ecosystem support from other laptops. And in third part, we will be comparing the Galaxy Book Pro with other laptops in this segment, so that we can have a better idea why Galaxy Book Pro is actually better and worth buying over other laptops. Today's video might be a little big, so grab your popcorns, and without any further ado, let's get into the video. Covering up with the specs, let us start off with the design. So design wise, the regular Galaxy Book Pro comes with a clamshell design which is 11.2mm thin and weighing just around 868 gram, which is some of the very lightest laptop in its segment. Whereas the Galaxy Book Pro 360 comes with a 2-in-1 form factor, being 11.5mm thin, so it is marginally more thicker than the Galaxy Book Pro and weighing around 1 kg. So design wise, these laptops are really portable and really lightweight to carry around. Both of these laptops will have Bluetooth 5.1 and Wi-Fi 6E support. They will also support a Thunderbolt 4 port, 2 USB Type-C port and a microSD card slot for storage expansion, a headphone jack. However, only the Galaxy Book Pro 360 will have support for 5G, whereas the standard Galaxy Book Pro will only support LTE, which is fine because 5G is not yet widespread, so LTE will do fine. Color wise, Galaxy Book Pro will come with Mystic Pink Gold, Mystic Silver and Mystic Blue, whereas the Galaxy Book Pro 360 will come with Mystic Silver, Mystic Bronze and Mystic Navy. Now moving on to display, you will be getting two display sizes, 13.3 inch and 15.6 inch with both Galaxy Book Pro and Galaxy Book Pro 360. And Samsung also claims that they have the industry leading Super AMOLED display, which will be 30 times more responsive, 200 times more vivid and 35% more accurate than the standard LCD display. And these numbers are just massive. And Samsung has also developed a special eye care mode with their laptop's display, which will reduce the emission of blue light to less than 6.5%, making sure that your eyes are not suffering from that blue light. And which is really good if you are someone whose work life is mostly based on laptops. The Galaxy Book Pro 360 has also support of S Pen, which is now more bigger and thicker like a normal pen. And this S Pen comes inside the box of the Galaxy Book Pro 360. So with this kind of S Pen support, you can make your Galaxy Book Pro one incredible productivity machine, whether it is editing photo, editing video, highlighting stuff. Samsung S Pen is just great because Samsung has learned all of their mistakes from the Galaxy Note series and they have evolved so much that now at this point of time there is nothing that compares to the S Pen capabilities of Samsung, not even Apple Pencil. So this is a great advantage if you are someone who is an artist who likes a digital drawing and other stuff, who edits your photos and videos under a laptop or tablet. So yes, Galaxy Book Pro 360 is really a good choice for productivity option as well. Samsung has designed Galaxy Book Pro and Galaxy Book Pro's 360's keyboard to be a full-size keyboard with 1mm of key travel and a refined scissor mechanism, making it smooth and springy keyboard which makes less noise and which is comfortable in long typing. Samsung also slimmed down the keyboard plate and shifted it more to the top, leading to a bigger touchpad, which is a small improvement but will make a great impact in daily life. Samsung has placed dual array mic on each side of front camera for better audio pickup, while having an intelligent noise cancellation built into the laptop, which will automatically detect your voice and surrounding noise such as dog barking, construction noise, and eliminate those sounds for a better video call experience, which is just top notch and phenomenal at this price segment. Now let us talk about second screen. With the help of second screen, if you have a Galaxy tablet, then you can make it as an external screen for your Galaxy laptop, which is really productive in my opinion. Moving on to Quick Share. Quick Share is now available to the Galaxy Book Pro and Pro 360 as well. So you can share your photos, file, folders, etc. directly to your Windows powered Galaxy Book without any need of a wire or third-party software. Now moving on to battery. Battery wise, the 13-inch model will have 63 watt-hours of battery capacity and the 15-inch model will have 68 watt-hours of battery capacity with the support of 65 watt wired charging. With Samsung claims that with 30 minutes of battery charging, you'll get 8 hours of video playback. This new charging brick is made up of a special material known as gallium nitride, which is a semiconductor which handles higher voltages more efficiently, leading to a more compact battery charging brick for better portability, which is a small difference but will make a good impact on long run. With this, we have finished with the first segment of the video, that is knowing the specification part. So yes, this was the end of the first segment of the video. The other two segment has been uploaded as a different video because I thought watching a continuous 10-minute video would become a really boring work to do. So now go take a 5 minutes break and do check that video out, because in that video I have explained how the Galaxy Books ecosystem features are used and how to use those features. So do check that video out. It is really informative and it will give you a broad idea about Samsung's ecosystem and the comparing of the other laptops with the Galaxy Book series. So yes, do check that video out.